might have got out of that.
It's freestyle though, right?
No, this is Greco still.
Pull that elbow. Just keep pulling that elbow. Get yourself back in. Repummel, repummel, repummel. Get back inside. Get back inside. Pretty well gotta watch for that shoulder throw right now. He's trying to set up. Dig back in. Dig back in. Bump the head. All right, come on, got a bridge, got a bridge. Got a bridge, Dominic, come on, buddy.
Hey, come on!
Step in on him, come on, work some body locks. Look where you're at, get after him.
This is the difference right now.
Hey, he's gonna sit and camp on that. Dig back in, get another tie up in him. All right. All right. Hey, man, it's your wake-up call. All right. Hey, we gotta get more aggressive. You gotta start tumbling in, get some body locks, make something happen. You're just sitting there camping out on it. Change to the left. Nice counter. Get off to the side. Be quick with it. Whip it, whip it, whip it. Arm it, arm spin, arm spin. All right, repummel, repummel, repummel. Gotta repummel. Look where you are, look where you are. Back him out, back him out, back him out. Bump that arm off, bump that arm off. Switch to the front quarter, back out. Front quarter, front quarter, front quarter. Dominic, come on, buddy. All right, where you at? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Shake it up right now. Arm drag it, get behind him. Look where you're at, buddy. Is it time or not? Is it time?
No point. That was like 20 minutes after they said time.
Okay. Just barbed wire it. Barbed wire it. Get into something you know. Get off to the side. Cross face. All right. Gosh damn it.
God damn it.
Step up on it. Come on, you got to get some action going here, bud.
God damn it. Good job.